Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about what if you are getting rejected in a job interview, how you can overcome with that rejection, and how you can land new job offers in the upcoming job interviews. So, without any delay, let's start today's video. If you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you'll not miss any new upcoming video. Without any delay, let's into this. So I'll start with the basic thing first of all. I'll tell you this rejection is just a feeling, a emotion, and it's just a moment where you need to work through and you need to gain knowledge from this and you need to move forward to learn, to explore more so that you will get new job offers in the future. Now I truly can understand it's easy to say that, but it's really hard to work on this. But there's no other option better than this. Rejections are always there to teach you something. You need to gain things from that and move forward. And believe me, if you start learning from your rejections, it's going to be a big learning experience for you. So that is the first tip, which is working. That's how I improve. That's how I work on my rejections. That's how I learn from my rejections. Now I'm going to share the 5 tips how you can learn from your rejection and can land the more job offers in the future. The first tip is cry and mop it up. Yes, if I will say, I know it's really not cool to say that, but that is the only true. You need to accept that rejection. Once you will accept that rejection, it will be easy for you to analyze your strength and weakness and what were the faults where you were missing in that interview. So the first thing is accept it completely, take your own time. You need to have your me time, take it and move forward. Second point is analysis. You need to analyze your weakness and your strength. Now, weakness, you are going to write it down, like you were giving the interview. Now you know which part of the interview didn't went well, which part of the interview you were not able to answer those questions, which part of the interview you were really nervous about and you were not able to score well. Along with that, you need to work on the strength as well. Which are the strengths you need to enhance and you need to excel so that you will able to overcome the strength over those weakness. So these 2 points you really need to analyze and you really need to understand so that you will prepare a master plan for your next interview. Once you know all your weakness, your strength, so you can work on those areas. You can work on this strength to make excel yourself in those, and you really can work on these weakness so that you will not do repeat or do the same mistakes in the next interview. Now the third one is take help from a career or a professional counselor. Now, this is the thing you need to understand, and where most of us are lacking, that there are some areas which we can improve by ourselves, but there are certain areas where we can't improve by ourselves. We really need to have help of a professional, of a career counselor. So in that concern, you need to figure out your weakness level. If it's really below average and you're not able to improve them by yourself, because maybe you will take 6 months or 1 year to excel or to overcome with these weaknesses. In that concern, you really need to take a career counselor help so that you will work on those areas quickly and you can learn from their experience. And there are certain tips and tricks which really cover up those weaknesses. So in that case, you need to figure out, is there a need of career counselor, or is there any need of your self improvement? So you need to you need to weigh these 2 things and work or plan accordingly. Fourth one is do a internship or a temporary course during the preparation days. Now, when you are already got one rejection, you really get scared for the next interview. You really want to spend some time for the interview so that you will not face the rejection again. Now, what you need to do along the time period when you are preparing yourself for the interview, you can take just some online or a refreshment course, which will be an add-on skill in your interview, in your resume, and plus also provide you some knowledge, or will enhance your knowledge in that particular sector. Plus you are in that time period, you are also working on the improvement on your weakness. Now when you will go for your next interview, you will have answer with you that in between that period when you were really working to improve yourself, you were really doing some course along with that to improve your skills. So these are the areas you can work on and how you can face and you can work on your rejections. So if you still have doubt, please post a comment in the comment box and let me know what you have any question or you really have a particular problem which you want me to answer or to help you with. So that's all for today's video. If you really like the video for whatever reason, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.